Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create particle intro in Capcut. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Capcut, and first of all, I'm going to create new project, and I'm going to go to the library. I'm going to get black background. We can click on this black background, and I'm going to add it to my Capcut project. And I'm going to add text to my video. We can go to the text and then add text. I'm going to create text video with this black background, and I'm just going to type in for instance text intro. Oops, sorry, just like that. And I'm going to zoom in like this, and I'm going to click on the check mark. You can change the font and the color if you want, but I'm just going to leave it like that, and I'm going to make the duration shorter. And after that, I'm going to take a screenshot of this text. Okay, and I'm going to go to my gallery to crop my photo. I'm just going to crop it guys, wait. Okay, and I'm going to go back to my Capcut and create new project. I'm going to tap on new project, and I'm going to add the picture I have just cropped. Okay, and we're going to click on this picture and go to the effect, select the style, and we're going to go to the particle category. Okay, go to the particle and select this one, cosmic. Okay, and just wait for a moment until this effect applied to your picture. It's almost done. Okay, and this is the result guys. And I'm going to click on the check mark. Oops. Okay, just like this. Alright guys, and that's all the way to create particle intro in Capcut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.